Baby Doge has been soaring hundreds of percent. It enters the top 100 coins, and there are a lot of news about it that we'll go over within the video. Potentially bad news as well that we must be alert of in terms of the Bitcoin scene. I don't think they will affect very negatively Baby Doge. Spoiler alert, we'll talk about the fundamentals, there's gonna be this video will be full of value, so just watch it until the end. We'll also look at things on the macro perspective and so on. So let's just start. Baby Doge, the volume is at 26 mil. This is an insane amount of volume for a meme coin that has been around and trending since 2021. I pretty much covered it since the beginning. I predicted the dump from the top last time, but the question is, what will happen from now? Will we reach the all-time highs? Because we're definitely going there. So here is my perspective on what we will see. So the first thing I want to show you was that we are pretty much filling the gap between this price and this price, so 31.93 and 300. Basically, this is the fair value gap that we are filling right now. I do believe if Bitcoin is to close at a loss today, which I believe will happen at US market open, even at London market open, yes, the major Asian markets at the beginning, Japan, we had a dump in Bitcoin, but then it filled it, so basically closed all my shorts with limit orders while I was asleep. When I was at the toilet, open up some more shorts. I believe they were right here, and right here, and then we pumped again. So we're waiting for another dump just like this today at market open. So far, every market open has been a dump for Bitcoin, and the fundamentals back that up. But I do not think this will have a huge impact for Baby Doge. We'll probably get some new buying opportunities. I'm thinking that 2,700 will be the target that was support turned into resistance, a fair value gap, or a place where demand stands, short orders being filled, or profit taking will be filled. Right now, it will turn into a support area. There will be it will be a supply zone. So people, when the price goes to here, a lot of people will be alert and be buying it. It's very easy to set up alerts on CoinMarketCap. If you're wondering, this is one of the easiest ways to set up alerts for tokens that are not on TradingView. Yeah, you can get some of them on TradingView, but yeah, the CoinMarketCap chart might be more accurate in some scenarios. So this is the first thing I want to talk about. The volume is very healthy. There are, of course, a few fundamental events we're waiting for today with high impact. The most important is the chairman Jeremy Powell's speech that should happen at, I believe it's 7 something my time. Yeah, probably have to. Yeah, 7:40 my time is where we'll see this event unfold. Why does this have to be so hard? Here it is, 7:40, right? Jeremy Powell's speech. So we'll keep you updated to that. I'll probably have a second video coming out. Then let me know what token I should cover. I already have a few ideas from the comments I got on the last videos. FTX CEO paid 690 grand is one of the topics we'll cover. But first, I want to say that Bank of America CEO says the company is preparing for potential US debt default. This is an article from Joshua Ramos. And by the way, I'll tell you how all this ties with Baby Doge. Bank of America, in a conversation with CNN, Bank of America CEO Brian Moynihan says the company is preparing for possible US debt default. The financial institution is the second largest bank in the country and is reportedly preparing for the worst regarding congressional conflict over national debt ceiling. Moynihan spoke about the congressional debate and specifically how that impacts corporate America, subsequently defaulting on the company's debt, remaining a very real possibility that entities entities like Bank of America cannot disregard. So this is very, very concerning. Look, one of the reasons I'm short Bitcoin right now is the strength that the Dixie has. So if we go to this is the main chart list that I look, the Dixie right now is has been pumping right now. During the Asia session is dumping, but during the London European whatever session yesterday, US session, we were pumping all around. Right now we might retrace, and we are far above the 200 EMA on the 1 hour chart. On the daily chart, we can see some other stuff. Why are not all my stuff appearing? Yeah, on the daily chart, you can see we're retracing just below the 50 EMA, just like we did last time at the beginning of January. The start of this retracement was the beginning of Bitcoin pumping on around the 4th of January. So we are very tied to DXY, the Dixie, the dollar index, the SPY, US30, and NASDAQ. Basically, when the Dixie is going up, Bitcoin should go down. I want to see how gold is doing as well. And I should potentially add that to my symbols in this chart. I'm making a new list. I'm actually updating a very old list that had some futures pairs. So add gold. We'll see how gold is performing. It's definitely trying to go up, but it's actually going down. Gold going down meaning also helps us short Bitcoin as well. It's an inverse of the dollar index. This is making it very hard for me. Come on. Why is this? It's way easier to move stuff on your phone. So basically, whenever we have the dollar index going up, gold should go down, SPX should go down, US30 should go down, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and altcoin should go down. An interesting divergence we had yesterday was that the crypto index, I'll probably do that after the video, but the crypto index was going up yesterday. It was in the green. Right now it's in the red at last. And I'll tell you why that's a good thing. Bitcoin has been pumping for just too long, right? We had a massive run up. We filled in the gap, as you can see right here. And now we're off for retracement. It doesn't have to be a big retracement, but definitely can be some retracement. We held this area for a while, and that's true, but regardless, this is very inaccurate. I should have added the magnet too, but yeah, we have a few other areas that we might respect. One of this is 21,630. So around, I expect a dump of around 3 to 4 to 5%. Hopefully not that much on Bitcoin, and I'm bearish for today. This might prove as a retracement for Baby Doge as well, which would be healthy because we can see new money coming in. We don't want new money coming in at the top. Yes, it sounds very good to always be up when you check your portfolio, but then you get people that are stuck in positions. If someone bought at the top, he cannot sell in a profit. He's very stressed out, and as soon as the price pumps a little bit above his price target, psychologically, normally he exits the trade because he wants the pain to stop. So this is not healthy for a project long term. Something that I want to show you was about FTX CEO paid $690,000 from crypto exchange last year. That's not that much for everything that happened, but he didn't work that long. Everything started in November. CoinDesk has reported that the new FTX CEO, John Ray III, was paid $690,000 from the crypto exchange last year. The news is according to a bankruptcy hearing that took place today. The company has amidst an unprecedented collapse. When Ray took over the role, Ray is an attorney who gained some notoriety through his presence. I don't think that matters. That's a very low salary for his name just your name being tied to this project is not good. I don't know if he can turn it around. I think he's mostly doing good for the people. Hopefully he does good for the people. Now they have some very tough decisions. They're trying to get refunds from politicians. I don't know how that will happen. Texas governor announces statewide plan to ban the use of TikTok. I don't know how this will work. Trump already tried to do that, but Texas Governor Greg Abbott has announced a statewide plan to ban the use of TikTok. A press release regarding the potential statewide model security plan specifically plans to address vulnerabilities presented by the use of TikTok and other software. The press release speaks on the text. Texas governor announces plan to ban TikTok. According to a press release, Texas Governor Greg Abbott has announced a statewide plan to ban. How many times will we repeat that? And that doesn't matter. The Baby Doge released over 200%, entered the tops 100 projects. My man, Raj Mohan, he is one of the most notorious reporters for Watcher Guru. Sometimes I read his articles on the weekends. Not all of their reporters do that. Look how cool this picture is, by the way. Baby Doge. So it's currently one of the best performing cryptocurrencies, obviously. And what is the reason? Well, burning 682 trillion Baby Doge token worth over 1 million. Furthermore, the team revealed that the burn portal will go live on February the 13th, which is next week. The burn portal will be dedicated to removing Baby Doge tokens from circulations. We had that with Shiba Inu that proved to work. That was in 2021 from what I remember. The surge in price also reflected in the token's social sentiment. Baby Doge's popularity seems to be growing every day. In a recent poll by Cointelegraph on Twitter, Baby Dogecoin received the highest votes, as you can see right here. That's a very, very well written article, by the way, from Mohan Raj. Thank you for that. A few other news that I want to go over on Twitter. 57% of Americans can't afford a $1,000 emergency expense. This shows the buying power the Americans have. It's basically credit card buying power. There were a lot of other insights about that that I've tweeted about in the last few days. The buying power of the US citizens, which is very important for marketing in the global economy in general, is shrinking. And here is a price prediction from Crypto. Full credit goes to him. I basically agree with him. Here is the state of the market. You have capitulation, panic, anger, depression, and disbelief. Right now, we are after the anger situation. We pumped, and I think we'll have some depression for the next few months. Hopefully not a few months, maybe a few weeks, maybe a few days. I'm sure if I'm wrong, if Bitcoin just pumps, it starts trading to the upwards, to the upside again, I'll just long it. I don't really care. I'm not attached emotionally to this at all. Because I'll just get cleaned, and there's if you're an experienced trader, you understand that you cannot be emotionally attached. While we are at it, at the 13 minutes of the video, thank you. You're a real legend if you managed to stay so long. You can claim a lot of bonuses, around $5,000 in bonuses from BitGet if you check the link in the description down below. So he basically suggests we'll see slow in Bitcoin's growth before we see a pump. Baby Doge is exploding. Here is a tweet I made, and some people are stealing my artwork, by the way, which is very, very sad. Crypto Wolfie, this guy's stealing my artwork. He said, my new profile pic for Flock. This is something I posted a few days ago. So as soon as he saw it, he didn't give me any credits or all, so I'll probably be reporting that as well. But in general, you can see what comebacks most influencers are. They have, he's probably a losing trader. He's just chilling lucky to get some exposure. He has no understanding of the markets. I could guarantee you I would bet money he's a trader get liquidated and he's not profitable overall. Here is the original tweet I did. That is one of my most famous tweets, actually. 119 likes, 29 retweets, 3k views. For me, that's a lot. Very happy with that. So actionable trading ideas from Benzinga. What we're seeing today is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin slide, and the C6 Apex crypto bouncing to 28k. Normally, I would do inverse of what the analysts say. So that's short for me. I don't want to even read it. That's short for me. So that's most of the things that I want to cover in the beginning of this video. If you like it, slap the like button, subscribe, really helps out. If you want to be up to date with the news, I'll post all the news right now at on Twitter. As you can see right here, I'm posting a lot right now, and I'll cover all the news as they come out there, and then I'll make a video probably as soon as possible. I'll try to have a video on US market open today. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Love you guys and girls. Bye.